i35equipment.com. Today we're going to be showing you how the manual quick attach system works on a John Deere 27C mini excavator. We do have it here on the trailer. Just got done doing the Christmas parade. It's a nice location here, nice and warm inside. So we thought we'd go ahead and just show you how this quick attach works, go through it with you. Just before we even get started, to tell you, compared to beating pins in and out, it's a two-person process. It is a really nice system. It does allow one person to change out your bucket. It is a little more complex than some we see where you just pull a pin, but we'll go ahead and go through it with you. The first thing is, you can see here, the front pins are just gonna scoop in. They're just gonna go inside the C of your bucket. Nothing happens there, nothing crazy. The second part here, instead of taking the pin out or anything, it stays. It's hooked into the quick attach system itself. The actual part that's holding your bucket onto the quick attach is gonna be these two pins and this bolt. So you're gonna take this bolt out right here, nothing weird. And once you take that bolt out, you just have these two pins are gonna, safety clips, they just come off. And then this whole bar slides out from the rear side of this bucket. That then allows your bucket to swing down and off of the quick attach system. When you're ready, you go over to your other bucket, you scoop into it on these top pins, and then you bring the quick attach down slowly into the bucket here. And once it's set up, another nice thing is, with it being a small mini excavator, you can do this by hand if it's not just perfect. And you get it set, you put your two safety pins in, that'll line your bolt up perfectly, drive it back in. Do hope that video is beneficial to you, makes it easy to understand. And if you're in the market for used heavy equipment, check out our website at i35equipment.com. You can see our full and up-to-date inventory of consignment machinery. Always consult your operator's manual. And if you have any questions, give us a shout. Like I said, you can see our full and up-to-date inventory of machinery on the website. Appreciate you watching. Hope you have a great day.